Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a project that's both fun and delicious. We're gonna grow an avocado tree from a seed, right here, right now. It's way easier than you think, and imagine this. A few years down the line, you're strolling out to your backyard, plucking a fresh avocado off your very own tree, and whipping up some next-level guacamole. No more supermarket avocados for you. We're gonna walk through every single step, from finding the perfect seed, to planting your little avocado sapling. So grab your lab coats, gardening gloves, and let's get this avocado party started. Alright, step 1 on our avocado journey, finding the perfect seed. Now we're not talking about just any avocado here. You want one that's ripe, like seriously ripe. How can you tell? Give it a gentle squeeze. If it yields to pressure and feels slightly soft, you're in business. Avoid avocados that are rock hard or have bruises. Those won't do the trick. Trust me, I've tested it, and those bad boys will throw off your whole avocado game. Once you've got your perfectly ripe avocado, it's time to extract that precious seed. Now for the surgery, avocado surgery that is. Carefully cut the avocado lengthwise, rotating it around the seed. Once you've gone all the way around, gently twist the two halves apart. That beautiful seed in the middle, that's our golden ticket to avocado heaven. Now carefully work the seed out of the avocado half. You can use a spoon for this part, or if you're feeling confident, just wiggle it out with your fingers. Once you've freed the seed, rinse it off under running water to get rid of any lingering avocado flesh. We want a nice, clean seed for the next step. This next part is crucial. We're going to give our seed its very own floating device. Why? Because we're going to sprout this bad boy in water, and we need to make sure it's perfectly positioned. Grab 3 or 4 toothpicks, the ones you use for your epic toothpick sculptures, and carefully insert them into the seed at an angle. Think of it like giving your seed little legs to stand on. These toothpicks will rest on the rim of a glass, allowing the bottom half of the seed to be submerged in water, which is exactly what we want. Now it's time to give our avocado seed a nice, refreshing bath. Grab a clear glass or jar, something that lets you see the magic happen, and fill it with water. Now, gently lower the seed into the water, toothpick side up. The pointed end of the seed should be facing upwards, reaching for the sky, while the bottom half chills out in the water. Make sure the bottom half of the seed is submerged, but the top half stays dry. That's key for optimal sprouting action. Now comes the hard part, patience. Find a nice, warm, sunny spot for your avocado seed, and let it soak up those rays. A windowsill is a perfect spot. Change out the water every few days to keep things fresh and prevent any funky stuff from growing. Trust me, you don't want funky stuff. Now the waiting game begins. It can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks for your seed to sprout, so don't panic if you don't see anything happening right away. Just be patient, keep the water fresh, and I promise you'll be rewarded. Alright, fast forward a few weeks. You've been diligently changing the water, giving your avocado pep talks, and bam! You see a root start to emerge from the bottom, followed by a little stem pushing out the top. Congratulations, you're officially an avocado parent. Once that stem reaches about 6 inches tall, it's time to give your little avocado a haircut. Don't worry, it's for its own good. Pinch or cut the stem back to about 3 inches. This encourages even more root growth and makes for a stronger plant. When the stem grows back to 6 inches, it's time to move our little friend into a pot. Choose a pot that's about 8 inches wide with good drainage. Fill it with potting mix, not just any old dirt, but the good stuff specifically designed for growing delicious things. Gently plant your sprouted avocado seed, leaving the top half exposed. Remember, avocado seeds like to breathe, so don't bury them too deep. Place your potted avocado tree in a sunny spot, but avoid direct sunlight for now. It's like a vampire, but for plants. Water it regularly, making sure the soil stays moist but not soggy. You want to avoid drowning your little avocado buddy. And there you have it. You've officially gone from avocado enthusiast to avocado parent. With a little patience and care, your little tree will continue to grow, and in a few years you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor, literally. Imagine the bragging rights. Oh, this avocado? Yeah, I grew it myself. No big deal, it's a pretty awesome feeling. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome projects, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future avocado updates. Happy planting! happy.